broke my board again on my head this time, and with a week to go before going on a trip to Hawaii. So this video shows a quick ding repair in a time crunch, and I hope you like it. I didn't record the sanding of the fiberglass, but you didn't miss much. After each layer of fiberglass or resin, I would sand with 200 grit sandpaper. The local art store ran out of the Blue Reef spray paint, so I used black instead, and it came out okay. As soon as it was done drying, I wrapped it up with some tube insulation on the sides to protect the rails, and then some bubble wrap, and then I shoved that into a surf bag, put some clothes in there too, and shipped it. This board was super fun for the break for that week, and I hope you liked the video.